So hello guys and welcome to my new video. In this video I'll be teaching you how to fold the version 2 of Prepare by Relevant. Okay, you can see it is just a really awesome jet. So let me show you this thing in flight and then I'll teach you how to fold it. Okay. Here is it. Sorry for the damage, but here let's go again. Alright, the tutorial. Alright, it's time to start folding. So you need a square sheet of paper. Begin by folding from this corner here to this corner here, and it should make a crease from the other two corners. Repeat that process on the other side as well. Now flip the paper over and make a crease through the intersection just like this. Squash fold this flap down, flip the paper over and squash fold this flap. Now I'm going to rotate it and I'm going to make a crease from this point here to this point here. Apply crease. Flip the paper over and now you're going to fold the portion that crosses this point back across. I'll fold this edge into the center. Now we are going to fold this edge into center, but allow that layer to escape and repeat that process on the other side. Okay, now pull the trapped paper from the underneath outwards. You need to end up with a rabbit ear. Push that to the one side and push that to the other. Now we are going to squash fold the flap down. Alright, now we are going to pedal fold the top section here. Now I'm going to fold this triangle down and we're going to kind of hold these two layers together and open everything up. What we need to do is reverse the horizontal crease and like this and close the whole model up. So this is called a sink fold. It might be difficult and it is an advanced model too. But now we will flip the tab over. Now we'll fold this edge into the center. I'll rotate it into this position so it's easier for me. Fold two layers over. Repeat it on this side. Now we're going to start a crease from this point here to that point there. And I want the new crease I made to run right along this edge behind it. Now I'll fold this edge to this edge here. Just unfold both of those. Okay, now we're going to kind of open one side of the model. We have two creases. We want to fold right along this crease and continue that all the way across. So I'm folding right along that existing crease. No new creases. Now and we want it to catch right at that point. You might not see. These are going to become the wings. Now flip this whole new tab onto the other side. Repeat, and we're going to fold from that point to that point right there. Do the same thing on this other side as well. Or just close the paper in half to make your tool symmetrical as possible. Sorry for the cough. But let's continue folding. Alright, so now flip it over. And so now what we're going to do is, we'll open one side of the model. We have this crease right here. You might not see, but let me use a pencil to mark it. Wait, let me get the pencil. Okay, I'm back. So we have this crease right here. You can see the black one. So now I'm going to open this side of the model, taking all the layers, and I'm going to pull it, and I want this crease right here to land right along this edge of the paper. No, sorry, this edge of the paper. You can see how that looks like. Now repeat the process on this other side as well. Now you can see we have these two flaps right here. We are going to mount and fold them in. Okay, so you can see I'm reversing the existing creases. No new creases. That's going to reinforce the front leaning edges of the wing. Alright, so we are now kind of going to use the pen. We have to we have to kind of pull, push and open the trapped paper out. So repeat it on this side as well. Alright, now we have a portion that crosses this bottom edge of the wing. We'll fold it back. Do it on this side. Okay, we'll fold these out, and now we're about to form our tail fins. So we'll fold this edge here to land right along this edge, or we'll make a crease from that point here to that point down there. And this edge here should land right along this edge if you have made it correct symmetrically. Now fold this edge to that edge there. Now we're going to make a crease. Now we're going to fold so that the new edge I make lands right along the edge behind it. Okay, unfold both of those and open one side of the model. So you can see from this side we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 creases. So now what we're going to do is we are going to kind of push like this, and we're going to fold along this crease. But as we do that, we need to reverse this fourth crease and this crease right here. You might not see the fifth crease. So once you close the third crease up, you have to kind of reverse the fourth crease just like that, and it needs to continue all the way into the point of the pocket. And we can close it back up. Repeat that on this side, but you can close your paper in half to make your two sides symmetrical. Okay, you can see we are going to open this up. We are going to open one side. You can see we have the existing crease. We are going to fold in just like that, and you can close everything back up right along the existing creases. Do the same thing on this side. Okay, now we're going to fold this edge here to this edge here, but we're going to perform a swivel fold. And it needs to cut right at this point. Then you can sweep the extra slack out. You do the same thing on this side. Again, make sure it catches at that point. Okay, you can see on the behind we have the tail fins and the tail. For now, let's just continue on this side. Now we're going to open it back up just like this. Okay, so now we're going to fold this edge here into thirds from that crease. Now what we're going to do is we have this existing crease just like this. Open it until it catches that point. Now we're going to close that side up, just reversing that crease. You can see the shape of our wing on the other side. It's looking good. Now I'll fold this edge into the thirds now. Do the same thing on this side. Good. You can see the shape on the other side is looking good. Now we are going to jet fold the model, and our crease will start right at this point here to that point down there. So you're just going to grab all the layers and just swivel them out just like this. Okay, we are going to bend the nose down, and you can see on the other side what's happening. We are going to jet fold the model, and we can close our sides up. Let's just unfold it and let's stand what will become the tail fin on the back of the plane, and fold the tail up too. Now fold the whole wing up. Okay, just jet fold the plane. Okay, and do it. Okay, so now it needs to catch right at those 2 points, and you can flatten it out just like this, or apply a nice sharp crease. Now I'll fold the wings up along the existing creases. Okay, so you can see our plane is looking good, but we need to first lock this thing up. So the way that you do that is open this up like this on your left side. Now fold this edge here to the top, and we are doing that once again. Fold this edge all the way up to the top. Now your model is locked up together. So now all that is left to do is just do the shaping. So now you first want to shorten the fuselage just like this. Now you just need to set the wings on the correct angle. So you want the tail fins to be almost vertical but not quite. You can see. Now you need to bend these edges up. Okay, that's gonna give it some up elevator. You can see on the back what was it before. So I bended these edges up. That's gonna give them elevator. So thank you so much for watching this video, and goodbye guys.